Hey, we're gonna take a look at some Hunter x Hunter collectible cups I just found. I found them for around $4, 350 USDs. So let's take a look. Here's a box. There's 6 different ones you could get if you'd like. Let's see. And one mystery. Who do you think that is? Please recycle. Hand wash only, that's the problem. Gently hand wash. Made in China. And it's by them. Manufactured for Just Funky. So let's take a look at this. So I only got 2 of them. Hunter x Hunter. So that looks like that's the only thing in the box. And there it is. On the bottom it has some info. So yeah, there's one. It does look like it does. It actually feels like it's gonna peel off too. So gently hand wash. One shot glass. And here's another one. Same thing. And let's take a look. Hunter. So yeah, here's the green one. Looks pretty good. Do not suck, do not wow, you don't even microwave. Cold liquid only. So yeah. So yeah, there it is. 2 of the shot glasses from Hunter x Hunter. I'll try and leave a link below if I can find it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.